Let me reintroduce myself. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to grow longer hair, specifically 4C hair, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews, skincare hacks, just how to glow the heck up in general. Alright, let's get into it. Now, I wish that I had been practicing a lot of these things from the time that I was 18 up until now, but that's okay. I want to tell you guys how to glow up and start from now so that by the age of 40, you can look like Ashanti. Okay, maybe you can't look exactly like Ashanti, but you catch my drift, so that you can look great. Ashanti does not look 40 years old. She doesn't. I would say, I don't know, 25, 26. She look younger than a lot of 20-something-year-olds I know. Yes, Ashanti, yes! These are some things that you can do from now so that you age gracefully and don't necessarily crack before it's time. Okay, let's get into it. First thing, I've spoken about it several times on this channel, tretinoin cream. I need to get more. Tretinoin is good, a prescription vitamin A. It is known for anti-aging, to prevent fine lines and wrinkles. And it's very good as far as dealing with acne, hormonal acne, fungal acne, all of that. Tretinoin cream is something that I recommend. And if you want to know more about it, like I said, I have a skincare playlist. Get into it. Glycolic acid. Powerful, powerful anti-aging, often combined with tretinoin. And same thing, it's good for fighting acne, making your skin have an overall glow. And usually the tretinoin cream and the glycolic acid, it is suggested that you use a sunscreen. Again, you don't want the sun to damage your skin. And these things are actually fading dark marks, helping to give you an overall glow. Retinol. If you don't want to go as far as doing the tretinoin cream, but you want something that is not going to make you go through that purging stage, works over time, not as strong, but effective, retinol. Sea moss. I've spoken about it before. Sea moss is natural. It's good for your skin. It's good for growing hair. It's good for your nails. It's good for getting rid of mucus in the system. But when you consume it and when you use it as a face mask, yes, you can do both. Yes, you can do both. And about to come for me. Yes, you can do both. Have your skin glowing up. I need to get back on that as well. I need all of these things that I'm saying to you, I'm about to re-up on. So what I'm telling you are things that I've used. Moss, I'm about to get back on it. Kojic acid, when used properly, it is very effective to brighten, and don't get carried away with it. Use it as a spot treatment. Use it maybe a couple times a week and put it on the dark mark / areas. And sunscreen. With all of these things, kojic acid, you can use it and definitely get a brightening effect instead of a whitening effect, if that's what you're looking for. If you're looking for a whitening effect, then no, this is not the video for you. And there are several videos that you can watch to get that effect. But I'm talking about simply to brighten the skin and get rid of hyperpigmentation. Let me tell you something. Kojic, y'all. I don't wear makeup every day, but I do often want to just do a little something. Of course, I have my eye and lip products, so to promote that, you know, I want to be looking my best when I can, you know, so I try, but I don't do makeup every day. Oftentimes I will wear just a concealer. Let's compare Tarte's Creaseless Deep Concealer to Shape Tape Concealer, both in the color Deep. Y'all see what complexion I am, right? This, I don't know if you can see, maybe you can't see on the camera, but this is considerably lighter than this. This is a Shape Tape, but they were out of my Deep Shape Tape a couple times that I went. So I was like, you know what? This says Deep. It looks like a similar color. It says it's creaseless. It's a Tarte product. Let me go ahead and give it a try. Y'all, this ain't really creaseless to me. I mean, I've already been using it and it is what it is, but do not put too much of this on or else this thing will ash you out. Ash you out. Ash you out. Ashed out, right? So this you see me trying to tread very lightly. This is more my speed for an everyday thing, whereas this is more of like if I want it to be, take it up a notch. All right, see how when I tell you that this, you put a little bit on and the next thing I know, the little bit is all over my face. Like, it just quickly, in my opinion, does a whole lot that I don't need it to necessarily do. Okay, y'all can't tell because right now it's making me look quite immaculate and like I ain't got no under eye bags. But like I said, it's gonna do the trick, but if I had a preference of the two, I'm going with the Shape Tape. Ah, you can see the color difference right here. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is considerably lighter than this. So when I put this all over my blemishes and stuff on my face, like, the next thing I know, I put my foundation over it, which my foundation is bomb. Matches my skin perfectly. If y'all want me to show y'all that, if y'all want me to show you a get ready with me, then I could do that. But since I ain't no professional or nothing, I just never really, you know what I'm saying, did all of that. Okay, this actually did brighten me up a bit right now. But if I do any more, then I will literally look like Casper. And I'm not trying to look like Casper. I'm trying to glow. So I just wanted to show y'all that. My preference is definitely this. But this is still something you could work with. I would not buy it again if Deep is in the building, though. I will not be buying this. But on camera, just under the eye real quick, just a choo-poops, then it gives you a little bit of a zhuzh. Okay? So there's that. Yeah, stick with those things that I talked about and you will be out here glowing up and people gonna be like, wait, you're how old? What? Let's try to just do it gracefully. You know what I'm saying? That's all. Here in 2021. Okay, because look, how are we now in 2021? 2020 just started, no? Anyway, I'm about to ramble, so thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Most definitely be back very soon with more, all right? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla.